Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on this motif. As you can see, it's almost like a star, and this is really easy. Only one row repeat. Let's get started. I'm going to use hook number 3 and my yarn is like that. What we have to do, we're going to start to make a slip knot, and then start by 6 chain. You can also make a magic loop, it's up to you. But what we have to do, we are going to join chain together to make a loop like that. For these loops we are going to need in total 15 double crochet, but as you know, the first one is also started always with 3 chain, so it means I need to make another 14 double crochet, which in total should be 15. So I keep continue to make double crochet in these loops. We're going to keep continue and I'll be back. Now I already finished the work. I have 15, but I have to do, I insert my hook on the top of the chain and make a slip knot. This is the time to have the pattern in each 3 of double crochet. For the first one, what we have to do, always for a start of the row, we are going to chain 2. Then I have to make the pattern in the second. What I have to do for the first one, I'm going to make double crochet. Now I have to make triple crochet in the same stitch. This is the time to make double triple crochet. It means I grab the yarn 3 times, and for this stitch now it has to be front post double triple. It means that I insert my hook here and make these 2 loops together. Now I have to repeat these 2 in the same stitch like that. First of all, I make triple crochet, and then 1 double crochet in the same stitch. As you can see here, in stitch number 2 I have 4 stitches, 1 2 3 4 and 1 in front post. What I have to do for the third one, I'm going to make only 1 double crochet on the top. Let's repeat again by next 3 what I have to do for the first one and the last one. Just we are going to make double crochet. This is the first one. The second one, I insert my hook, first make 1 double crochet, then 1 triple crochet, double triple crochet front post here, triple crochet again in the same stitch, and 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 1 double crochet for the third one. This is the next 3 stitches. We are going to repeat this pattern for these 3, and the last 3 stitches, and I'll be back. Now as you can see, I finished the row. The pattern should look like that. It's time to join the pattern because this is the last stitch I made. I'm going to insert my hook on the top of this chain and then make a slip stitch. For this row, until the size you need, what you have to do, as I told you, you have to start by chain 2, and then when it comes to the last stitch from now on, we are going to make 1 double crochet on the top of each chain you have in the row, like that. I mean here or here, always you have to make double crochet. When it comes to that stitch, it's the time to start to repeat the pattern like row 2. It means that for that part I'm going to make first double crochet, then 1 triple crochet in the same stitch, double triple crochet here in this stitch, like that, again triple crochet in the same stitch, and double crochet in the same stitch, right. When it comes in the middle like this, we are going to make all the stitches should be double crochet on the top. Because when we make it like this, we are going to increase the work, but always we have to be careful. The number of stitches in each part should be exactly the same, because if you made a mistake, your pattern shape is going to be different. Now again in this part I make 1 more time, and then just it's gonna be repeat for each row like that. Now we are in this stitch. We are going first make 1 double crochet, then triple crochet in the same stitch, double triple crochet in this one, front post double triple, again triple crochet, double crochet in the same stitch, and for the rest just make 1 double crochet. Now it's time to do the pattern again here. As you can see here, the pattern is going to be increased. If you keep continue like that, and the next row repeat that pattern, you are going to have the star motif. It's up to you, the size whatever you need. You keep continue like that. This is the back side and front side of the one. That's all. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.